Hi 2P. This will be our first online lesson for CC Tech 1. It is all about Microsoft Word 2007 for Windows. It is a word processing software package. You can use it to type letters, reports, and other documents. So, I'm going to show you on how to open the Microsoft Word software. If you have the shortcut on your desktop, looks like this. Just double click it or go to Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Office Word 2007. There are other versions like 2010 and 2003, but right now we're going to focus on 2007. So this is how it's look like. I'm going to show you first the Microsoft Office button. It is located on the upper left part of the window here. Here's the button. It's like a circle with the Microsoft Office logo. So let's click it. The menu will appear, and under the menu there are several buttons that you can use. There's the new file, open an existing file, save a file, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, close, word options, exit word. As you can see, as we point the mouse or the cursor on some buttons there, something will appear, or the submenu will appear on the right pane. So you can see, like here on print, you'll see the print preview. Try to click that there. Next one will be the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is located just beside the Microsoft Office button. By default, there are only three buttons there: the save button, the undo, and the redo. The undo will it will roll back an action that you have taken, and the redo will reapply an action that you have rolled back. We can customize this quick access toolbar by clicking on this uh, drop down arrow here, and then you can just check or uncheck the buttons that you want to remove. You can easily customize that. The next the next part will be the title bar. Title bar is located next to the quick access toolbar, meaning it is located in the middle, the topmost part of the window. The title bar display of the document which you're currently working. So as you can see, as a default, if you open up a new window, it will be entitled as document 1. If you open up another one, let's try to open another one. Blank document, it will be document 2. Another one, blank document, it will be document 3, and so on. And if you're going to save this file, let's try to save it. So for example, let us save it as CCTech1. So you can see the title changed to CCTech1. So from there, you'll be able to know the title of your document, as well as the word next to it is the program that is running. Meaning, if you're using a Microsoft Excel, then it will show their Excel. If it is a PowerPoint, then it will be PowerPoint. The next one will be the ribbon. This is the ribbon. This whole part here is the ribbon, as you can see here. All of these are called ribbon. Under the ribbon, there are tabs. These are the tabs: the home, the insert, page layout, references, mailings, review, view. Those are tabs. Under each tab, there are several related command groups. There are related command button like this. all of this. There are related command group or command buttons. For example, the clipboard, they're all interrelated. For the font, all of these buttons are related. Paragraph, all of this, the styles, there. And then we're going to look for the dialog box launcher. Here it is. Other groups of buttons have the dialog box launcher. Let's try to click it. For example, under paragraph, it will launch the whole option or the whole settings under the paragraph. As you can see, everything is here. You can change and you can edit the settings under the paragraph if you're going to click on the dialog box launcher. Let's try to style. As you can see, the font, there's the option under for the effect, like if you want to have shadow, you want to emboss, engrave, which those settings are not present on the ribbon itself. So if you need further options, if you need further settings, just click on the dialog box launcher. Next will be the ruler. The ruler is found just below the ribbon. There is also a ruler on the left side here. If the ruler is not visible, you can access it or you can make it appear by pressing this. Or you can go to View tab, then you can uncheck or check the ruler option there under the show/hide. You can use the ruler to change or to edit the margin, or if you want to have a quick tab option there, you can use the ruler. If you want to edit the margin, the indent, here the indent, here you can use the ruler. You can also edit the margin under the page layout, custom margin, there, under page setup. And now we're going to the text area. This whole thing is the text area. I'm going to type, this is the text area. As you can see, I was able to type in the text area. That's the text area. The text area is just below the ruler. That's the large area where you can type the document in the text area. Okay, I'm going to erase this. Let's change it to draft. Okay. I changed the view to draft view because I'm going to show you the blinking vertical line. This one is the blinking vertical line. It's in the upper left corner is the cursor itself. It marks the insertion point, meaning it is the location where the characters that you're going to type will appear there. For example, As you can see, the vertical line, it marks the insertion point of the character that you're typing. As you type, your text displays at the cursor location. The horizontal line next to the cursor marks the end of the document. So you can see that's the last part where you type the character. So that's the end of the document. If you're going to enter, it goes down. If you're going to press enter to go to the next paragraph, it goes down. So this is how your how the draft view looks like. There is the cursor and the vertical line, which is the cursor, and the horizontal line, which marks the end of the document. Now I'm going to show you the scroll bars, the vertical and horizontal scroll bars. These bars enables you to move up and down and across your window simply by dragging the icon located on the scroll bar. You can use this. You can use this icon there, or you can use the scroll on your mouse. You can also use the arrows there, down arrows, up arrows, left and right arrows there. The horizontal scroll bar is located just above the status bar. This is the status bar. The horizontal scroll bar is located above the status bar here. You won't see a horizontal scroll bar if the width of your document fits on your screen. I'm going to show you that. Like this. Since as you can see, the zoom is on 100%, the size of the screen. There is no horizontal scroll bar. But if you're going to zoom it in, there, the horizontal scroll bar appear. Same as the vertical. If we're going to, we cannot move it, but it's still there. But we cannot move the bar, as you can see, but still there. Unlike the horizontal scroll bar, it is not there. Okay, now let's go to the status bar. The status bar appear at the very bottom of your window. Again here, it is just below the horizontal scroll bar here, and it provides such information as the current page and the number of the words in your document. This is the page 1, page 1 of 1. Words, there are 3 words: Eric, Vergara, Tupi. You can change what displays on the status bar, meaning you can customize it by just right-clicking on the status bar itself. Then you can customize it by checking or unchecking the status that you don't want to appear there, or you want to remove. Like for example, you want to remove the page number, uncheck it. The formatted page number, uncheck it there. Now we're going to understand the documents view. There are 5 documents view. Those are draft view, web layout, print layout, reading layout, outline view. You can access that under the view tab or here, just along the status bar. These are the different views, or under the view tab. Right now we're on the print layout. Print layout view shows the document as it will look when it is printed. Meaning if you want to see how the document looks like if you're going to print it using a printer, then should choose print layout. Draft view is the most frequently used view. You use draft view to quickly edit your document. This one, the draft view. Web layout. Web layout views enable you to see your document as it would appear in a browser such as Internet Explorer. Okay, so if you're going to if you're going to publish a web using a Microsoft Word, you can use web layout. Then full screen reading layout, or the reading layout view formats your screen to make reading your document more comfortable. It's like this. It's like you're reading a book or a notebook. There. You just close it here. It's like on a PDF format. No, I mean the view. The view is like on a PDF. Then the outline view. Outline view display the document in outline form. You can display headings without the text. If you move a heading, the accompanying text moves with it. There, that's the outline view. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope you learned, and I hope you're able to jot down some key points, because our professor we're going to make a short quiz regarding this. And you can play with it. You can play with the Microsoft Office Word. You can just explore, click those ribbons, then if you want to know what are those buttons, just point the mouse or the cursor without clicking it. You can just point so that the name of that button as well as the description will appear there. You can explore it, like if you're looking for how to set up the size of the paper, so you can just look for it. If you want to insert a picture, a clip art, there, everything is there under the ribbon. If it is not there, just look for the quick dialog box launcher there, so you can see further settings. There you have it. Review the parts, play with it, get familiarized, and good luck.